na paa, 2 antena, 10 fights at 2 knockout.
Ma'am.
Ay, boxing ba yun?
Iba
Boxing.
yata yun.
6 na paa, 2 antena at brightly colored
Brightly
wings.
colored wings.
Sagot.
Kaya yan?
Ano yan? Ikaw alam mo yun, matalino ka eh.
Butterfly?
Galing!
Very good, Bimbi.
Very good. Ay, wait. May ano ko.
May?
Raisa, butterfly ka ba?
Butterfly. Bakit?
Kasi palaging lumilipad ang isip ko sa iyo. Eh.
Sabi na yan. Wala na. Tinapos na.
Mga Dapper Cats, okay ba yan?
Galing mo talaga.
Okay ba yan? Mga classmates,
Okay na
okay ba yan?
Ganda.
Ganda yan, ganda yan. Okay, ganda.
May knock-knock ba kayo?
Wala po, ma'am.
Ay, hindi pwede.
Ganda nga knock-knock.
Ano to, puro kilig lang?
Sige po. Meron tayong knock-knock, Bim.
Ano?
Knock-knock.
Who's there?
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Butterfly who?
Everybody now. Wow. Iba po ito. Do you build me up, buttercup baby, but you let me down, mess me around, and the words of all, you never go being me when you say you will. But I love you still, I need you, more than anyone, darling. No from the start. So build me up, butterfly. Nakalimutan ko.
Nakalimutan ko, sorry.
Hindi klaro.
Isa pa po, ma'am.
Isa pa,
Bagalan mo.
isa pa.
Why do you build... Ganun. Sige.
Sige, wait. Tatalikod mo na ako para hindi ko ma-distract
Okay,
sa'yo.
okay.
Tinan mo, na-distract din siya.
Sige po.
Okay.
Why do you build me up? Buttercup baby, just to let me down. Mess me around and the worst of all, you never go bimby when you say you will. But I love you still, I need you. More than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the
Ayan na.
start. So build me up,
Build me up, butterfly, don't break my heart.